Let's come to the topic. To keep the moon in its orbit and to fall the object on the ground, the same force is responsible for both these situations, and that is gravitational force. Then what is the difference between these two phenomena? Why the moon is not falling like an object on the ground? It should not, but just for curiosity, why the moon is not falling on the ground? There is a reason behind it, and this reason is first understood by Sir Isaac Newton. Let's discuss this reason in this video. I will start from the misconception of people. I asked some people that why the moon is not falling like an object on the ground. They said it is not falling because it is far away from the earth and the gravitational force, the gravitational field of the earth is not that much effective to pull the moon downwards. This is not a bad reason, but it is not perfect. Velocity is a major factor which is keeping the moon in its orbit. Let's see how. It is same as you are throwing a ball or any object on the ground. If you give minimum velocity to the object, then it will travel a minimum distance. If you give the maximum velocity to the object, then it will travel a maximum distance. Then imagine you are giving that much velocity to the object that it will never fall down on the earth and it will start rotating around the earth. And this is how it is happening. Moon also has a particular velocity which is helping to balance the centripetal and centrifugal force. Here centrifugal force is a pseudo force which is arise due to its motion, and centripetal force is represented by a gravitational force. This centripetal and centrifugal force are balanced to each other in a circular motion only. That's why it is rotating around earth in a circular motion. From this discussion we can say that at a particular height, if you want to keep the object revolving around the earth, then that much particular velocity you have to give this object. Now come to the interesting fact that what will happen if the velocity of that orbit is increases or decreases by some fraction. If the velocity of moon decreases, then it will spirally go towards the earth, and then after some time it will fall on the earth. Vice versa, if the velocity of the moon increases by some value, then it will go spirally away from earth, because here the centrifugal force is more dominant than centripetal force. The same thing is happening with our moon, that it is going away from earth at the rate of 3.8 centimeter per year. This rate is very small and it is changing with respect to time. It can change with respect to time. Hence, scientists believe that around 4.5 billion years ago, when moon just born, at that time moon was 16 times closer than it is today. I hope what I am trying to explain you got that, and if you got that, then please like the video and share, subscribe the channel. Meet you soon in next